Hello everyone, this video will show how to solve classic work problems. So let's go over this problem right here. Cheryl can paint a house in 10 hours, while CJ can paint the same house in 15 hours. If they work together, how long will it take them to complete the job? So the first thing that we need to do here is to find the rate that each of these girls are able to complete the painting of the house per hour. So we can go ahead and say that first Cheryl can paint it in 10 hours. So we can go ahead and say that she can paint 1/10 of the house per hour. So we can go ahead and look at this fraction as one job, which is the whole house. She can complete it in 10 hours. Well, on the other hand, since we are saying that if they work together, so working together means we're adding them. So that's going to be plus, and we're going to find the rate of CJ. So CJ can paint that's in 15 hours. So 1/15 of the house per hour. And this will have a sum of 1 over, we don't know what is the combined hours for both of them. So we will take that as X. So that is how we set up the fraction or equation for this work problem. So the method we're going to use in this problem is the LCM method. Since the denominator of these two fractions are not the same, it means that we cannot add them together. Let's find the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I can add more. Let's find the multiples of 15. We're going to have 15, 30, 45, 60. Looking at this, the least common, so we're looking for the common number between both of them. The least common is 30. So the LCM is 30. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this given fraction up here. I'm going to rewrite it down here. So what I would do in this method is I will multiply the LCM to all the numerators of each of these fractions. I'm going to multiply 30, I will multiply this by 30, and I will multiply this by 30, so that our equation would come out. So what I did was I multiplied 1 times 30 is 30, 1 times 30 is 30, 1 times 30 is 30, and we keep everything. So we can go ahead and say that they're all divisible. So 30 divided by 10 is 3, and then plus 30 divided by 15 is 2, and that is equal to 30 over x. 3 plus 2 is 5, and that is 30 over x. We go ahead and multiply both sides by x. Multiply this other side by x here. So we're left with 5x equals 30 because we can cross that out. So we're dividing both sides by 5, divide by 5. So we go ahead and say that our x is 6. This tells us that both Cheryl and CJ can paint the house together in 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down here. So that is how we solve this classic work problem.